What's up, everyone? It is Jason, and welcome back to the channel. Today's wedding is a different kind of wedding. We're here in Brielle, New Jersey, getting ready to board the River Queen. And this boat and its sister boat, the River Belle, are two boats here at the Jersey Shore that host events. And today we are hosting a wedding on this boat, and I'm pumped to take you guys through this celebration. Now, in Jersey, there's a lot of different kinds of weddings, from the mountains to the beach and everywhere in between. Today, we're taking the party on the water, and this is like home base for me. Fun fact, I grew up in this whole area, and I actually grew up working on some of the fishing boats here at the Jersey Shore. And the Jersey Shore, for the locals, is not like the Jersey Shore that people associate with the television show or some of the things that you might see on TV. The Jersey Shore is a beautiful place, beautiful beaches, beautiful homes, beautiful scenery, and we hope to show you a little bit about that today on today's wedding cruise for Chris and Shayna. Anyway, I can't wait to take you guys through this celebration. We're here at the Jersey Shore. Get ready for this one. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Tied the knot officially, but I'm going to ask for everyone's help because I need y'all to make some noise as we welcome our newlyweds back here to our, I'm going to claim this like the dance floor area for the rest of the night. So, ladies and gentlemen, as loud as you can, please welcome the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Chris and Shayna Donahue right here to our dance floor. No, I mean, like, really make some noise for them. Come on. Drink in hand, we are definitely going to have a good time tonight. Now, we need to start this celebration right here with a very special dance. This right here, the official first dance for our newlyweds. And they have selected a classic. So, we're going to invite everyone to get their cameras ready, phones ready, whatever. Direct your attention to the center of our dance floor. Again, this right here is the dance floor for the rest of the night. It's time for them to celebrate to truly, madly, deeply right here. Let's hear it nice and loud for the reason we are all here to celebrate love. Let's hear it nice and loud for the Donahues right here in the building tonight. So check it out. We've got a couple of more very special dances. So let's have our beautiful bride stay right there in the center of our floor. And let's invite her dad, James, to please step forward. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as loud as you can for the father of our beautiful bride. It is time for him and his daughter to share the floor, and they're going to do so to When You Need Me.
When you need me, call my name.
Now we're going to ask Chris to make his way on over to his mom. Ladies and gentlemen, I need y'all to make some noise for his mom, Deborah, and of course for Chris as they make their way on out to the center of our floor. It is time for them to celebrate. They're going to do so to My Wish.
I hope the days come easy and the moments pass slow, and each road will lead you where you want to go. And if you fail,
now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
One more time, can everyone, and I mean everyone, make some noise for the reason we got together to celebrate love tonight. Let's hear it for the newlyweds, 10 years right here in the making. If you're in a chair, we need you to stand up high. Everybody stand up, let's go, let's go, let's go.